Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about singly circular linked list. So what is the difference between singly linked list and singly circular linked list? What is circular linked list? We'll talk about everything in this video. Let's start. As you can see in my screen that last node will be pointing to the head or first node is written over there. So what does it mean? So in circular linked list, your last node will be pointing to the first node. So as you can see in my screen that one circular linked list is over there. So you can see that what is the address of our first node. The address of our first node is FFF0, and you can see that our last node is pointing to the first node. So in a normal linked list, let's say normal singly linked list, this is the head pointer, and so what we have at the last node, the address portion of the last node will be null, but for circular linked list it will be pointing to the head node. So as you can see that what is the address of our head node? The address of our head node is FFF0. So at the last node we have FFF0 stored over here. So it means our last node will be pointing to the first node. So if it's a singly linked list, then we have null over here, but for circular linked list it will have the address of the first node. So in this case that is FFF0. So you can see that last node is pointing to the first node. So this is what your circular linked list is. What are the key properties of circular linked list? That your last node will be pointing to the first node. In the next video we'll see that how we can create a node of a singly circular linked list and how we can insert any memory in a singly circular linked list. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.